congregate a bit, a little bit of congregation. Get a little close to each other, keep warm.
Oh, the smell of blood. Come to my side, embrace me. Again. Come to my side, embrace me. Oh, the smell of blood. Come to my side, embrace me.
We're going to pour that booze for you. And you're going to listen to a story, hold the booze in your hand, look at it, smell it, drink it if you want. And listen.
Love of music. She had incredible, sophisticated taste from early childhood.